Okay, today we got Bad Dudes versus Dragon Ninjas. This one had some faults around these customs, as usual. Legs were black and covered in shit. Cleaned them up, replaced them 2 rams. That got it working, and then we had no sound, which was this Yamaha bad here. Okay. Oh shit. We're on mains lead with the camera, and it's tied up. There we go, we're loose. Let's see it. Go on, let's have a go on the wire. We'll soon be using the other. Okay, there we go. Pretty nice. That'll do for today.